Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solve Her. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Firewall in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solve Her. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your settings. Now click on Privacy and Security. Now go to Windows Security. Now you can see here Open Windows Security. You have to click on this. Here you can see Firewall and Network Protection. Press on it. So now you can see here Public Network. You have to click on it. So guys, you can see here Microsoft Defender Firewall. You just have to turn on this button to enable this. So this is how you can enable your firewall in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.